In this video, we're going to discuss YoTeach, which is a back channel platform that facilitates various discussion types in the classroom. There's some other tools discussed in the book, back channel chat, Go Soapbox, and all of these allow for both synchronous and asynchronous discussions and communications, and can be useful for gaining participation of learners that may be less likely to participate in your traditional face-to-face discussions. So it's very easy to use, and you can actually create just a quick room by typing the title, a quick description, and you can create a room and learners can go in immediately and participate very easily. However, there's some additional functionality with the teacher account that allows you to create some and collect and organize these rooms much easier. So I'm just going to log in very quickly here, and you go to your dashboard and you see immediately that I have two rooms already: American History Test 1 Overview and Battle of Antietam. I can real quickly search a room, so if I had some I wanted to link with another classroom or another teacher or something like that, I could do that. Or I could just go to the Create My Own Room and just create that room there. Now, if I wanted to just go to the room here, then what I see, I see all of my rooms over here on the left. I can simply click on the dashboard and it takes me back there, but I'm going to go back to my Gettysburg thing. I have some administrative features, so I can collect stats on it. I can create a word cloud instead of your traditional linear discussion. I could export the chat as a CSV file. I could see who is online. I can enable a profanity filter. I can clear room messages. So if I wanted to kind of start over, I could go to vote mode and chat mode. I can move between those. I can download a transcript. I can reload everyone. So if I had a classroom or a room where I limited the number of participants or who specifically was participating, I can reload everybody. I can do I have some moderation settings, and then I can clear the block list. So if I blocked people, I can clear that list from use. I have some other room options here. I can enable voice. So instead of text questions, the learner or you could provide prompts via voice. You can change the name of the room. You can do a search. You can do a reverse message order. You can make the room accessible via QR code, or you can play around with different types of layouts. You can also enable voice, in which all of the messages will be read out loud instead of the text. So it's a nice accessibility feature here. So so now we have the prompt here, or the room set up. I might put my prompt here and click on the arrow here. And then, so there's a prompt, and then learners could go in and discuss or reply to it, etc. So if they wanted to reply, then they would click on the reply option, and down here, reply to prompt. And so you can see that they are nested here. They can record their response. They can read it. They can raise their hand if they need help. You can pin a prompt or a response. You can mark it as a good question, and you can mute a user as well. So if you wanted to remove somebody, maybe somebody was dominating the discussion, etc. Some other features down here for the prompts as well as replies is you can do a collaborative space. So I'm just gonna say you can name it, and then you can go in and write on it. You can upload an image to it. You can type text. You can search for some content, etc. So you have some functionality here. We could create a board. You may post a picture with a prompt and have them identify something or respond to it or something like that. So I'm going to close this. You can see there's my space board there. I could do the similar thing with a writing board. I can add an image. I could add some LaTeX script, and I could also do a poll. So I could create a new poll here. You can also see who the participants are, and you see who you get a name list of everyone here. You can see here that I'm the only online user, and that's pretty much it. You can go in and respond individually. You can, like I said, you can pin posts and replies. So this is a great tool for facilitating collaboration within the classroom. So this tool allows you to facilitate understanding the context by giving learners a venue for asking questions that they may not otherwise be able to ask or feel comfortable asking, and allowing for varied mechanisms of replying to those questions. It also allows teachers great ways to provide creative prompts to the learner to facilitate different thought processes in the inquiry process. So, and also once you're done with a room, just real quickly, you can go ahead and delete the room and the messages if you want, or you can archive these as well. So this was YoTeach, a great back channel chat platform. We hope you find it useful.